All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So fail, fail, fail. Yes. Yeah, there we are. Fail. Look at that. So when something is not successful, no. Let's have a look. Success. Let's have a look. Aha, here we are. Not successful. Yeah, there we are. Yeah. It failed again. It might fail. Do you think it will fail? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah. The plan failed. It failed. They always fail. They always fail. I know it. I know it. Yeah. It might fail. It depends on things. Yeah, it might do. Yeah. 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 Without me, it failed. See, without me, that failed. It fell apart. Yeah. Do you think that it will fail? So, maybe. Their project is not going well and it might fail. What might happen to it? What might happen to it? It could be victorious, be good, be winning, be good, be smart, or the opposite. Might fail. It doesn't look very good. It might fail. Maybe. Failing is now what we want. Yes. The more we fail, the more we learn. Yes. We can turn a fail or a failure into a win, a victory. We can learn from failing. Powerful stuff. Or we could simply say, I don't want it to fail. No, we can't let it fail. We can't let it fail tomorrow. No. But that might happen. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Fail. Yeah. So yeah, fail. When something is not successful. So, language explorers, can you use fail in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on Udemy, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanshev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.